Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to add images using HTML. Now let's jump into the video. To add an image using HTML, we have to write img space src equal double quotation inside curly bracket. Now, we have to upload an image. For that, move here, and click on this three dots. Now select Upload File, and simply click on the image that you want to add. And click Open. Now, move to the double quotation, and type the words that you can see here. Like this. And then run the code. That's it. We have successfully learned how to add image in HTML. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe. Bye.